welcome back to part 2 of the test drive. We just hit 103 miles per hour on race mode, bro.
30,000.
Race mode. Wait, yeah, it's
130,000.
race mode.
140,000.
Yo,
नहीं तो
the engine over there is a bit cross.
उससे
That
कम
one there.
1 crore 1.3 he says.
It's not proper. It's
On road
a bit
1.3
cross when I
already.
sat there.
1.27 सर
27 on road.
आपका अगर
एक शोरूम कितना हो रही है?
ये आपका 1 crore हो जाएगा सर
एक शोरूम हाँ?
जी सर
What this is? 43 में तुमको स्पेस थोड़ा बढ़ के नहीं उसमें GLE में?
हाँ सर
It is
थोड़ा
little
सा
bigger,
you
right?
have a bigger yeah it's
Your
a
leg
Baba,
space and your thing.
English, nobody can understand.
Everything is the same,
Same.
except for little bit of room is more and the leg space is more
Yes, sir.
and the height is more
Yes, sir.
and what do you call the boot space is
Yo,
little
yo, yo.
bigger.
Yes.
Look to your
How
right.
many-
Baba, look to your right.
How many liters it is?
Yo.
boot space sir
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yo.
boot space I'll just
That's-
1 second I'll just check it
अगर कोई GLE 43 और 53 है तो please I would like to lock down my choices on that because as I told you I have three things in this segment in
Okay.
SUVs I have three things in my head
जी सर
Porsche, Range Rover and GLE. I don't want to go for BMW right now.
got it
So
Range Rover कौन सा सर?
I locked for the Range Rover Velar or Sport.
okay
Either Velar
What
or
about
Sport.
yours?
Both. Either of this. I actually out of these three cars I want to buy two cars of these.
okay
Any of this. मतलब Porsche, Range Rover, in BMW, I have to make a choice of two cars,
Got it.
which I'm going to do it. And another car, I want to just have it. What I have felt it and I've seen, that Hyderabad में चलाने के लिए I need to have two cars, which should be like a home cars, like small cars. कौन सा जैसा something I'm just not naming it,
Okay.
just for your understanding, like Seltos, Creta,
okay
पड़ी हुई है, and another one I want to have a Toyota Hilux. For the sake of my farm,
got it
because for this kid I want to buy a ATV,
okay
all terrain, so
It's
that
already easy to ride an ATV.
and
I
I'm going to
know.
make a track there,
okay
so a bumpy track I want to make for him, so that when he goes, at
understood.
least he can do it on his own.
understood
So I want to do that. for
ATVs
him.
are really easy to drive.
So for that, to get things and take things and go to the airport.
yes sir
Toyota Hilux ले लिए, you have boot space is open. Throw anything, any amount of luggage in that.
it just carries
बिंदास आराम से तुम आराम से बैठ के आ जाओ. No
Stress.
stress of no freaking out with anybody or anything to do with.
जी सर
For that reason, वो देखेंगे करके देख रहा हूँ. So this is what is the whole plan for automobile. By another 1.5 months or 2 months, I want
Baba,
to.
I think we should make two farms, like one in Hyderabad and one in Karimnagar. I'm thinking.
मैंने को चलाने देना था. नहीं छोड़ती हूँ.
कौन है छोड़ती?
Your mama.
Why?
She would love this car.
Oh, you're right. She likes SUVs. And you're going on sport. What's the slippery mode?
Slippery is obviously when the tracks are very slippery, or if there's anything to do with the bad road or something, it makes fun.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. Suhas के साथ कैसा हो गया? The day I met him, and he's such a sweet guy, all in all. The way he speaks and the way he behaves was like I fell in love with this guy, and only for that reason I obviously as honest I am always, I told him, look Suhas, you want to get me a good car, but I'm not at all interested in buying that car. He said, it's no problem sir, I want to get that car for you, you just drive it and feel. And I said, if you are sure about that, then I have no problem driving it. Then he speaks to another friend of his, he gets a Lotus. Lotus IV है सर, चलाओ फिर बाद में बात की बात देखेंगे करके.
Yeah.
So that's how.
This is again cup holders.
He's promised a Lamborghini. So
In a
I
few
want to
minutes,
do it
I'm
with this kid, a
again
Lamborghini
make
car.
a new video. So
Let him,
yeah, thanks for watching.
do some
I'm
stuff
gonna
with
make a part
Lamborghini.
3.